How to fix TikTok payment method problem. So if you want to fix your TikTok payment method problem, then what you need to do is you just need simply open up your TikTok application at first. Once you open up your TikTok, go with your profile. Now once you're under your profile, you need to go with the upper right, which has that 3-bar icon, and tap on settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, tap on balance. Now under balance, here you will have all of your balance or your coins, right? On the right side, you will have view option if you have some balance, but in my case, I don't have the balance. So you just need to simply tap on view, which will be on the right side, or just tap on your balance. And from here, if you have coins, then you will have withdraw option. So just simply tap on withdraw, and you need to enter your withdrawal amount. So enter your amount and go with continue, which will be on the bottom to withdraw. But you'll also have payment methods on the upper side. Just right here on the upper side, you will have the payment methods. You can simply go with manage, which will be on the upper right of your payment methods. So just go with manage. Once you go with manage, you will have PayPal, or you will have add payment method, or the payment method that you've added, right? And you can go and remove your payment method and again add your payment method, and your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with your Play Store. Under your Play Store, go with search, and here you need to simply search for TikTok. And if you have any updates under your TikTok, then just simply go and update your TikTok application. Once you've updated, your problem might be fixed. But even after updating, if that doesn't fix your problem, then go and restart your device. So press and hold on to that power button and then restart, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. So that's it. That's how you can fix your TikTok payment method problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.